Welcome to this how-to video. So today we're going to look at how to carry out the embroidery stitch of a running stitch. Now a running stitch is very simple and very elegant to the eye. So with our fabric sampler, you will see that I've done a running stitch. So these are different types and different thicknesses. This allows us to then gauge on what we need. And what a fabric embroidery sampler is all the different techniques of the stitching on one piece of fabric. So from previous, you will now have your fabric on your embroidery hoop. And to start off, I put a simple knot into my thread and pulled it through to stop the thread going straight through. There's two methods you can do. You can sew it in or you can do a knot. For simplicity, I've just done a wee knot today. So I have got my embroidery needle and my embroidery thread. So embroidery thread is a lot thicker, so it's about 4 times the thickness of normal thread. And this is what it looks like. So you buy it and it will be more elongated. It's not on a spool because the way it is created. So it's 4 times the thickness, so it's basically 4 sewn threads wound together and spun into one. So with your needle, you're then going to go through, and I want you to then go down just a wee space, maybe about a centimetre. With a running stitch, you want to make sure you're keeping it straight, but also you're keeping the same thickness. Now you can sometimes draw with a wee pen the markings on your nail, which are quite good because then you can see. But for today, you can see the thickness of my nail from here to there is a rough thickness. So now that my thread is through, I want you to then look and you can see my needle drag along the fabric. So that gives you a kind of indication of where I am and how to do it without turning over. So you want to then pull it up a width away. And then similarly, you want to then keep your thumb going down. So then you can start using your eye's judgment and see where you're going up. So you're just going down and then back up the fabric. So you're going down and then back up. So a running stitch is just a basic run of the stitch going along the fabric and it going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's not of any other fancier techniques. So then you can go up, down, until a point you get to where you want it to stop, and then you can then tie it off, cast off just the same way you'd normally do with your normal sewing techniques. And then once you've done that, that is your basic running stitch. You can see it just goes along the fabric, but it goes down and back up. And the back side of it will be the exact same. So it's mimicking both sides. So that's how we carry out a running stitch. And this can be used to hold hems, can be used as a decorative stitch, and it can be used as writing your names when done closer together.